What's the deal with letters and dates A, B, C, D, E? Kinda tough, that's okay, so here's the scoop. World traveler, here's how to use the Gregorian calendar. The birth of Jesus is how we measure time, cause European Christians reigned for a long time. BC, before Christ, time before Christ's birth, and all previous events on earth. AD stands for Anno Domini, a Latin phrase that impacts you and me. It means in the year of the Lord, it's the year one. And after, of course, BCE and CE are basically the same as BC, AD, but a different name. Except they don't say Jesus, and yet they measure time from the same event. BCE means before Common Era, and CE means the Common Era, a secular system to measure dates to further separate church and state. And in the US and places near and far, we use this system. However, there are Jewish, Islamic, Chinese calendars too. Tons of ways to measure time. This is just the one we're used to.